Hey, what's going on, guys? I know I haven't done a video in a while. Sorry, I'm kind of getting things all set up around the property, kind of getting things the way that we want it. The garden all set up. As far as the MGB goes, I did vinegar water it this weekend. Cleaned it up a bit, moved stuff in the garage, getting everything ready. I did order a palm sander and some sandpaper, 80 and 120, because it's really taken a toll on me, block sanding it the way that it is. But I'm still going to block sand it after we primer it. I did order the primer, so we're going to get together on and get going on that thing. I definitely want to have that damn thing painted this summer. So hopefully everything goes good with that. I still need to get the other door skin. Still need to finish the other door skin, get that door going, things like that. But there's still a couple of things that I need to do to the fender. And well, I'll talk about that. I'll make a video on that later. But just wanted to show you guys a couple of things. I got some cinnamon basil, sweet basil, parsley. I hope the parsley comes up. Didn't see anything come up when I put it in here. And then garlic right there. Hopefully that comes up too. Well, we'll see. But I grew that stuff inside. Grew the sweet basil inside, and I grew the cinnamon basil inside. Plus, I want to show you guys hopefully Ozzy didn't take off. I wonder if this is actually going to produce fruit this year. This is a kiwi fruit, and it says, the instructions say whether or not, the owners did tell us that this has not produced fruit yet, so it may have 2 female or 2 male. They say that you can identify them by the way that the flowers are. They kind of look like 2 female, but the instructions also say that it doesn't need a pollinator. I don't know. We've got some grapes. This is what I did. Our water pressure was really low because our garden is all the way out there. There he is. And I'll put all the details of what I did, all the stuff that I bought in the description if you want to perhaps do this to your garden as well. But our water pressure was really low, so it wasn't doing anything with the sprinkler system that I had hooked up there. So I bought this is a Drummond. It's a Drummond sprinkler pump, 1 horsepower. This thing freaking works awesome. So I ended up buying that. The shut-off valve, so I can keep it somewhat primed and probably help me with the pressure, because it does put out about 70 psi. Hose. Got a 65-gallon tank, which I probably will hook up to the gutter here so I can use rainwater. There to go. Ozzy, where'd you go? There he is. Come on, Oz. Over here. But I do have stuff getting ready to get put into the garden. Red cabbage, green cabbage, tomatoes, peppers. These are staying in the pots. Peppers grow best in the pots. I don't know what peppers are, which peppers I planted. I don't know whether or not they're bell or jalapeno. We'll find out when they start to fruit. Yeah, those don't look too good. That one's somewhat okay, but those are my cucumbers. For some reason, I didn't do, not having too much luck with the damn tomatoes this year. They don't look good at all. Well, they didn't look very good in the house. They actually look a lot better out here. But these ones I was getting acclimated to the weather. So, and also these I started like 2 weeks before the ones in the garden, and these look like they've been growing longer. Ozzy, come on, bud. Come on. Come on. But the other thing I wanted to tell you guys, small business, Semper Lawn and Landscaping Services came out and cut this for us, and it absolutely looks beautiful. I was only able to get a certain amount with my riding lawnmower. Came out and got rid of all that high grass, which was really good because there was some snakes and some rats in there. Let's see if that bird picked up that snake that he killed. Looks like they did. Okay. I will also put, so if you're in, I don't know, I'll put what areas he covers in the description, along with his number. But if you're in the Knoxville area, Powell, pretty sure he'll hook you up. Did a really good job. Alright, let's see where he went. Yeah, you running away. Probably a mouse. Yeah, we got lots of weeds and stuff like that over here. Get somebody else to take care of that, but look at that rose bush. And here's the other thing that I think is pretty cool too. Look at all these peonies. They're just lined all the way down the driveway. They are so beautiful. So are our blackberries. Look at that. We had these in Colorado. I think they're the coolest flower. It's our apple tree. We got some cherry trees. I don't know which ones they are. I think they're over there. There's some more of the peonies. All over, so beautiful. Here's our garden. Garden for 2020. As you can see, there's the cabbage. So I planted this stuff a little bit too early out here. So it had to hit, you know, it got brutalized with the cold. Some of that corn I grew inside. I know you're not supposed to grow corn inside, but why not? But I had to build all this, the fencing, all that stuff. Got pumpkins growing. Yep, pumpkins are coming up. That one's starting to regrow. Corn's coming up good. Cabbage is coming up good. Those are our bean plants. Here we got some blueberries. Those are going to be awesome when they come up, get ripe. Ozzy's taking off on me. I already got a couple pea pods going. That is awesome. Those 3 long ones that are all the way up here, those are the ones that I planted inside. Those ones I started from seed and put out here. So same with these cucumbers. Got these cucumbers. I did start some cucumbers inside and they all died. So I planted some more out here. Looks like they're doing really well. Now we gotta go get Ozzy. I did plant a whole bunch of watermelon and pumpkin seeds somewhere around here. I don't know where I put them. Okay, now he's way down the damn road. Ozzy! He did this to me yesterday. Didn't want to listen. Oh yeah, we got wild strawberries in there too. Hey. Let's go. Come on. Come on. He's being a knucklehead when he comes out here with me. He just wants to go wherever he wants. Let's go. Thinking this is the cherry tree. I don't know. It's another apple tree. Came out here and because I didn't know which ones were the apple trees, so I ended up shaking a whole bunch of the apples off. I think this is a cherry. But, yeah, I think this is our cherry tree. But I don't see too many cherries on it. I think a lot of the birds came out here and nabbed them all. But for apples, you don't want all of your apples to produce. You don't want the apple tree to produce all of its buds. Otherwise, you will not get anything the following season, or 2 or 3, because it uses so much energy to produce its fruit. And then I gotta look up and see what kind of disease this has got. I don't think it's blight, but it'll put so much energy into producing the fruit that it won't produce for a couple more years after that. So it's actually important to come out and knock the flowers off in spring. That way it doesn't produce as much. As you can see, all of its growth, all of its new growth, it can't support. It's not going to be able to support the fruit. So, but that's what's been going on, guys. Also, come on, let's go. Also, I'll probably be growing some more grapevines. I got 12 cuttings of muscat grapes, and then I bought 15 variety. So I'm going to plant those. Those grapes probably won't produce anything for probably about 3 years, but it'll be fun. Something new. So I got those sitting in some peat moss up above, sitting on top of the refrigerator. And they're already starting to leaf out, which is cool. Which means it tells me that they're kind of healthy, so they'll probably root. My buddy? Yeah. Alright guys, just wanted to let you know what's going on. Should be doing some more. I'll probably do another garden video, show you the pump, and we'll definitely be doing more MGB videos, so be plenty busy this summer. Sorry for the lighting issue. Alright guys, take it easy, stay safe, peace.